don't know how they're gonna look yet, but we'll see. It's definitely a bold look. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a production assistant here in the Columbus office at Zulily. I organize and prepare all the samples for the editorial studio, and then I help out on set with the photographer and the stylist. I shop mostly accessories, jewelry, hair stuff. Also really like clothes and shoes. First package is, I think, headbands. They've been really trendy, the puffy headband look. I'm excited to see how they look on me. We'll see. So I got a brown color that I thought would be really pretty for the winter time. And then I got a pink color, which is like classic millennial pink. I definitely feel like it's a very like holiday vibe because it's like velvety. So maybe like a holiday party or even like New Year's, kind of incorporate one of these into my looks. I think they'd be cute with like a sweater and like a skirt tights combo, but we'll see. It's definitely a bold look with the puffy headband. It's kind of like a crown, but I think it's cool. In here, I got these MARIKA leggings because they have like detail to them. It's like a mesh stripe situation going on. And then they also have a pocket on the side, which I've decided I'm not buying any more leggings that don't have pockets for like working out, so you don't have to like deal with holding your phone or anything like that. So I got those. I got these shoes. They're like a snakeskin mule. It's really hard for me to find shoes online because I have a wide foot, and it's very hard to like come across sometimes in cute styles. But I found these and they were really cute, so I'm excited about these. I'll probably wear these, maybe wait until a little bit warmer because the Ohio winters can be brutal. Yeah, jeans, maybe like a cropped kicked flare pair. That'd be cute. And then, so I love huge earrings. I wear them all the time because I usually wear my hair down. I got these really colorful, like acrylic-y pair that just like super multi-colorful. You can wear them, you know, pick up any of the colors that are in here. So I'm really excited about these. I love wearing earrings. They're like my favorite accessory. It's tough call. But probably either the shoes or the earrings. I don't know. I'm really excited. I didn't wear earrings today, so that I could probably wear these for the rest of the day. So probably the earrings. Thanks so much for unboxing with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let us know what fashion accessories that you find on Zulily. Bye.